How to accelerate your time to market and elevate your customer experience. It's simple. In less than 3 clicks, you can place your car collection order. Our driver collects your vehicle using our application. They will take pictures to be able to perform the requested damage report. Once all the checks have been completed, our driver signs the proof of collection with your end customer. The process will be the same for delivery to the workshop. In the workshop, the vehicle will be appraised. To save time, all checks completed by the driver via the application are automatically integrated into the platform. In one click, the workshop sends you a detailed quotation and a time frame for the work to be completed. Through your MovieCar web portal, you can validate or reject the work to be carried out and add additional services if necessary. Once the quotation is validated, the work begins. You can now follow step by step all the refurbishing operations in real time via your MovieCar web portal. Once the work has been completed, the workshop manager signs the report, and you can review the online version in your MovieCar portal. Your vehicle is ready for a new life. MovieCar, seamless mobility logistics.